Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's post, we will make pumpkin-shaped buns, which are both gorgeous and delicious. I'm pretty excited about today's post and how cute they are. These buns are delicious, soft, tender and slightly sweetened. It's ready in about 1 hour. This bread is perfect for special occasion or any entertaining you might do. Please watch this video till the end showing how to wrap the dough and to create this adorable pumpkin-shaped bun. Friends, carefully follow the instructions and measurements. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Your support means the world to me. Friends, I hope you have enjoyed this crusty pumpkin-shaped bread recipe as much as I did making it. This was really being one of those golden recipes that you'll make once and treasure forever. Friends, every recipe I make and every click, comment and rating of yours supports and encourages me. Your feedback is invaluable. If I have made something you've enjoyed, I would greatly appreciate if you leave a comment and a star rating on the recipe. I thank you and will be back soon with another easy to make recipe. Take care and bye for now.